I just got my free sample from Bellavita, so it is this beautiful perfume and is 3.4 ounces. Actually, this is a great gift for Valentine's now that we're approaching that day. So this is how it looks. And let me start by saying that I like the bottle. I like how it smells, just the bottle itself. And all you have to do, of course, is spray it. I want to spray it on my hand first so I can leave an honest review. It smells really good. I can smell some of the vanilla, sandalwood, cedarwood, and it's like a caramel, like a flower. It smells very good. Also, this can be also for men and women. I like it for me. I don't think I will give it to my husband. I like it so much that I can just spray it all over. And the perfume is very durable according to what I read from it. You can put it in the morning and it's going to last you hours, which I like that too. And it makes a perfect gift, even for Mother's Day, even for Christmas, or for yourself to go to the office. This is amazing. I hope you enjoy it. I really hope you check it out, and thank you for watching.